Has Bitcoin already start a new bull run? This is the market cycle or not? Today I'm going to give you insights and how to sell it, how to buy it. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Basically, we were in the downward channel. You see here, this is weekly chart, so you can draw this line. Now we are above this channel. So do we look good? Can we buy here? Is it a big bottom already in? Today I'm going to give you the insight. The last two videos about Bitcoin, I mentioned you. The last cycle is exactly the same thing. We were in the big channel and we go above that, but they create another low here. You see here, another low. So basically here, is it possible we are doing the same? Now I use my indicator to analyze for you. If you want to use the traditional indicator, watch the other two video. I will put in the end of on this video. So now you look at this. When we hit the bottom, we will have an up signal. Here we don't have, especially for weekly chart. This up signal is very good for weekly chart. So we don't have an up signal yet. We do have a purple candle. It means this could be one of the low. It means this is oversold. Okay, so this is a very good signal to tell us, hey, oversold, and we have an up here. Do we have institution come in? Last video I mentioned yes. The answer is yes, we have institution come in. But it doesn't mean this is the bottom cycle because the last cycle is the same thing. They go above the blue, but they create another low, lower than this low. Okay, then they have a bunch of institution come in. Okay, right now, will we actually repeat this? We don't know yet. But every single cycle, the pattern is more or less always for the stock or for the Bitcoin, for the altcoin, they need to go above the blue first. And then the blue change the direction. This is the starting point. Now we are not yet there. When we look at the price, the cost, about the price, okay, price is one thing, but don't forget this chart, you have to look at this side also, which is the time. Time is our cost also. So, for example, here, basically, they wait for a really long time to get over the blue, and we are not yet touching the blue yet. Number one. Number two, so right now the blue is still going downward. What does it mean? It means this is still a down cycle. This is still a downtrend. Okay, this is still a downtrend. No one tell you this is the start of the bull market. Maybe someone tell you, but I don't know. For weekly chart, when we look at the super big cycle, I'm not looking at few week or few days. Okay, I'm looking at the super big cycle. Weekly chart, we don't have a signal yet. Okay, some people ask me, how come I don't use monthly chart for Bitcoin? I can use monthly chart. It's the same thing. Monthly chart, look at the red. Now, we are not even touching the red here. Okay? We are not even touching the red. We need to go above the red. Red change the direction. Okay? Another thing. The YM chip entry, if you look, is also here. You see, every time it's the bottom, big bottom, the red is touching this green line. Is it possible this cycle they don't touch? Yes, possible, but we don't have a signal to tell this is the start of the bull market yet. So if you have my signal, you can check monthly chart or weekly chart. The difference is monthly chart is checking for the big side for investor. For example, here, 222, they 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 basically change in 225. Okay, the direction, whole thing change in 225, 222 to 225. Okay, every single time. This is a super big market for investor to hold for a few years. The weekly chart is for the swing trade, but the weekly chart also can tell you, give you a clue like where you can catch the chance, where is the start of the bull market, because always daily first, then weekly, then monthly. Okay, so either way is good way. So now we go back to daily chart, but before daily chart, go back to this market cycle is still downward. The red is going upward. It means this is a rebound. This is a rebound. Now we go back to the daily chart. Daily chart, we look good at, to be honest. The daily chart, the purple look upward. the blue upward, the red upward. So everything good. This institution go upward. Good. One thing you need to be careful is the big volume trade. The big volume trade is reducing. I didn't say you have to sell it right now, but you need to understand this track big volume trader. What's going on with the big volume trade? If big volume trade, if they drop below zero, then you need to be careful. It means they are selling crazily. Okay, so even now it's selling, but it's still not weak. We are still above zero. Is it okay? So right now all direction going up. So Bitcoin so far okay. But if you are very long-term investor, this okay, this is not financial advice, but I just tell you the chart did not give us any clue that this is the start of the bull market. We bounce, yes. Swing trade, okay. Okay. Even the swing trade, the strategy, we are still selling with the red because we are still under the blue. Is it clear? We are still selling with the red. So it means we go above the red, we buy, not all in. And if they drop below the red, the time to reduce. Okay, so this is quite easy strategy. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. By the way, we have a lucky 7 people who comment before in my channel, and you have 7 days for free for my indicator bundle. So check the comment I leave you. And also we have another 17 coder for 50% off, half price, I mean, half price for my indicator bundle and other product in my link tree profile. So you click the link in my description, you will see. And if you're interested, grab the chance because I don't do 50%. So I see you next video. And this is the only one-time offer. It valid until end of this month. So grab the chance. See you next video. Bye.